A modern dairy farm begins with carefully selected dairy cows, chosen for stable cow milk production.
Make sure it's thick enough over there.
Yeah, almost done.
This should be comfortable for him.
Okay, vital signs look good. Let's get her dry and then we can move them to the recovery pen. Breathing sounds strong. Come on, up you get. Good movement. Healthy conformation.
Holstein female dairy calves are prioritized as future dairy cows for long-term cow milk production.
There you go, sweet little one. All comfy now? Every dairy calf receives fresh water to support growth alongside early cow milk feeding.
Vaccination schedules begin early, so each Ayrshire dairy calf can grow into a productive Ayrshire dairy cow.
Good boy, easy now. Got it, 150.
Each young Jersey dairy cow receives balanced feed designed for strong growth before cow milk production begins.
Strong feed management on the dairy farm determines how efficiently Guernsey dairy cows will produce cow milk later.
Clean feed bunks help Jersey dairy cows eat consistently throughout every dairy farm day.
See how well that holds together. No separation at all. Perfect TMR.
I'll log the dry matter score now.
Special collars or tags may track Ayrshire dairy cow activity to help improve breeding and herd health.
It is definitely inflamed. The CMT is positive.
All right, let's get the SpectraMast in there.
Good girl.
Clean water troughs are washed often because Holstein dairy cows drink heavily during cow milk production.
Come on, girls, let's go. Right this way.
Temperature is stable at 38.5 Celsius.
Udder appears healthy.
Noted. The metrics are looking good.
We'll check the next one. See the flakes? That confirms it.
Yes, definitely mastitis. I'll note it down and we'll start treatment immediately.
Okay, they're separated. Log these two under the quarantine protocol.
Confirmed. I'm noting the batch numbers now.
It's a game, heartbeat slow when I lock my eyes. You don't see storms in the perfect sky. You don't look down, down, down. I'm your only sound, sound, sound. Breathe with me, stay where I can see. Hold my hand, it's not the end. Stay with me, don't be seen. Move through fire, I don't slow down. Carry you out while the world's falling down. You shake, but you're still alive.
The transparency really helps monitor the pulsation.
Yeah, we can track the volume easily now.
In every system, the goal of cow milk equipment is steady cow milk collection with low stress on dairy cows.
This one is significantly higher than the others.
Yes, the data confirms she is a high producer. Let's tag her.
Removing the milking cluster on time protects the teat ends of each air-sheared dairy cow, a vital practice for their comfort and the longevity of their milking career.